In Serbia, industries face unique challenges due to the country's landlocked position and reliance on water transport. EDDY Pump offers transformative solutions to address these challenges, revolutionizing material transfer and infrastructure maintenance. Explore how EDDY Pump's technology reshapes Serbia's industrial landscape. Serbia's pivotal industries, including energy, mining, and manufacturing, rely on efficient material transfer solutions. Self-priming slurry pumps ensure enhanced navigability along Serbia's vital waterways. These pumps optimize river transport infrastructure, supporting industries reliant on water transportation. Self-priming slurry pumps also address environmental concerns associated with dredging activities. These pumps offer proactive solutions for adequate flood prevention and management in flood-prone areas. Hydraulic dredging equipment ensures navigational clearance along Serbia's crucial rivers. It optimizes river transport infrastructure and supports industries reliant on water transportation. Industrial infrastructure maintenance is enhanced with hydraulic dredging equipment, promoting efficient material transfer. From Kragujevac to Novi Sad, EDDY Pump provides strategic support across Serbia. Choose EDDY Pump for immediate access to cutting-edge technology without long-term commitments. EDDY Pump. We pump solids, not water.